Instructional video on how to replace Chrysler windshield washer nozzles. The only tools that you'll need for this are a trim panel remover and some angled pliers or even your fingers. You just want to follow the washer line right here onto the hood and pull back a cover if you have to. In my case I didn't, but I'm showing you this on another vehicle in case you have to take all these panel clips off in order to get at the nozzles. All we need to do is just grab the pliers and squeeze until it pops out. Then grab the replacement nozzle and gently stick it back in with the tabs in the correct position so that it pops in. Next, reattach the washer hose and the job is done.